Good evening, everybody. First of all, I'm apologetic that I came a bit late. And same thing on behalf of my wife also, who was very keen to come and attend this young gathering of Kinora, young and vibrant, I would say. And because of some domestic problems, I could not come, and because of my professional obligation, I was not able to come in time. I came in time, and after one meeting came, very few people were here. So I'm very sorry that I came late and kept you all waiting. Secondly, I would like to tell you that all organizers and all the students here, I am not a chief guest here with you all. In fact, when they came to me, they said we want to bring you as chief guest. I'm just like one of you. I'm like another brother of you, or somebody can say uncle to me because of seeing my seniority. Indeed, it's a great pleasure to come and attend this gathering of young Kinoras and Kinoris, because I remember it has taken me back 25-30 years back when we were college students and university students. We used to organize some type of Toshin in Delhi also, in Chandigarh also. It used to be a very good Toshin that time also. And when we were studying here, I took admission in Stephen long back in the early 80s. There was hardly any ladies over here studying in the Delhi University. Then I went to Solan, I went to Chandigarh. So I thought it's an opportunity to me to talk to you. That's why I said, despite all the busy engagement, I said I'll come and meet you, I'll talk to you. I just want to tell to all of you here, all the students over here, some important tips to be successful in the life and how to be united. First thing is the quote from all of us should be we should be always united whenever we are not only in the Kinnaur but outside Kinnaur also, whether it's in national or at the international level. We should always remain united and we should always help each other. Like all fingers are not equal. Some of us come from a very good background means some of us are from very rich families back in the home, and many of us are not from very rich families. But when you meet anywhere, we should be all treat each one of us as equal. Number two, always among yourselves also, in other way also, which we all do always and you all must be doing, respect your seniors. Respect your other seniors, whether in college, school or university or in the service also. Respect your position they are holding. Respect by age. When I say seniors, it's I am saying by age. You know, anybody can be a PM in my office, but if he is from Kinora, outside office hours, he is my elder, and he is my HR, he is my uncle or whatever it is. Next, I want to tell you all the students over here. As I told you, united we are a force. Singly, we are not a force. And if any student need any help among colleagues itself, we should be always more than willing to come forward and help the other students, because that is the culture of Kinnaur teaches us. And we should be always proud to tell that I am from Kinnaur. I see many of the Kinnoras, they try to hide what background they are. I'm not talking about student side. Those who study with me, those who room with me, I find them, they try to avoid by telling that. But you should always be proud. You say we are from Kinnaur, we are from that district. And whenever people say that you are from Kinnaur, you should always say with open hands and open voice, if we are from Kinnaur, we are from so places. I remember one story when I was a student studying in the Solan, when these young boys came to me 4 days back. When I met as a student to somebody who was, I will not mention that chap's name, he is still alive. He was a district superintendent of police in the Solan. I went to attest on my biodata. I was studying in Solan College. Some certificate I went to attest. I was studying the Solan, I came from the hostel, DC office, sitting in the DC office. He told me, you get your original certificates. You know, I felt so bad. Being a Kinora, I came to attest my certificate. But for certificate, he said, get me your original certificates. Then I thought, I will get this signature from you. I went to the state to deputy commissioner. I was student like you, but I was quite bold that time also. So I went to him. I said, sir, I was also. I came to my uncle who is here, but he is saying that only certificate last date is tomorrow. So I have to go to Himachal to submit that form also. But how the cycle takes off, time passes. Today, somebody other side of table, I am this kind of table. When I got into service after 7 years, same chap became SP and he wanted a transfer की transfer करनी. You are able to be many years. So that should not happen. It becomes very embarrassing for anybody. You know? It becomes very embarrassing. So what I want to say is that wherever position, many of you will become very big in the business or in the services. But anybody who comes from background from you, if you say I am from Kinnaula, just do it outright. Just have a blind faith on him or her. Just do it. I will not give you much more sermons because I wish I can stay for longer time with you and enjoy the evening with you, because in my younger days, like 25 years back or around 20 years back, I used to organize the Toshmik for the employees also here. We used to have good Toshmik, but unfortunately for the last couple of years, the Toshmik is not taking place because everybody feels somebody else should do it. But because of my professional obligation for the last 10 years, I am not able to involve in the activities of get-togethers and other things. And get-together I have been, now is not taking off. It's a joint effort. And that time we used to open the whole night. We used to start in the evening, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. We used to keep on dancing till morning. I am very sure this group will also dance till morning. But unfortunately I have to go a bit early also for some time. And if time permits, I'll come back in the night. If time permits provided. And I wish the organizers, those who have organized this and those who are president, vice president, those organizing committees, they did a wonderful job to unite all the students together and to have a social, because this is the way we know each other. We are from different parts of Kinnaur. Many of the students we don't know each other. Among students also we don't know. So I congratulate the organizers, and I am indeed a proud officer to be as a part of your senior colleagues. With this, I'll say all the best to all of you. And at the last, my wife has said, and I also say always, if any of you have any problem anytime, our phones are such open 24 hours for whole country also, but if any of you have your question, you can come to my house also, and you can call us anytime, whether it's a personal problem or financial problem or anything. किसी को बारिश लगानी है, you can always give us a call. And at the last one thing I forgot to tell you, this is for my male colleagues, male boys. Always keep in mind one thing. I am happy married man because I married a Kinnauri. So I studied outside. I studied in IIM Calcutta, I studied in Poland, I studied in Chandigarh, I studied in Jalandhar, I studied in Ajmer. You know, I used to always think this is a very good decision of mine to marry a Kinnauri, because all said and done, our girls are very hardworking, very sincere. You know, but problem यही होती है कि हमारे में वैसे भी जब पढ़ लिख के ऐसे पोजीशन में आते हैं कि तो why should we marry? Many of my colleagues have not married from the they say why did you marry? You say others are outside. But I always knew if I marry from outside, your roots will be cut. So I request all of you, those who are planning to get married or really planning to get married, marry from Kinnaur only.